In this video, I'll show you how to fix the auto scroll down problem in Windows 11. So, let's get started. First, update your mouse driver. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand mice and other pointing devices, then right-click your mouse and select Properties. If the other option is not available, then click OK. If the issue still isn't fixed, try changing your mouse settings. Right. Click the Start button again and select Settings. Go to Bluetooth and Devices, then click Mouse. Scroll down and turn off Scroll Inactive windows when hovering over them. Once you've done that, close the Settings window. Another method is to perform a clean boot. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type emsconfig and press Enter. In the System Configuration window, open the Services tab. Check Hide All Microsoft Services, then click Disable All. Click Apply, then OK, and restart your computer. After your PC restarts, check whether the auto-scrolling issue has been resolved. And that's how you can fix the auto-scroll down problem in Windows 11.